What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you know, this is my mobile mechanic van. If you've seen my video van tour, it looks a lot different now. I've done a lot of different things. It's a lot more practical now, including building like a shelf for that side door over there, which worked out great. I have like all my chemicals and light bulbs and stuff over there, and then I added this top shelf here. My table is just strapped there. There's a toolbox behind that, and then I took this shelf and installed it here, and my floor jack strapped there. But today's video is not about that. I built a pegboard system for the van, and it came out really awesome. It didn't cost much. We're gonna go over cost and material in this video, but first I want to show you how you can make your own pegboard system just like this.
So first you're going to want to start by finding you some cardboard to make a template out of. I had this cardboard laying around my house, so this is going to do just fine. Then you're going to size it up to your door and start taking your measurements. As you can see, I'm taking the time to carefully measure this out. Now I'm going to lay the cardboard on a table, and I'm going to cut the lines with a box cutter knife. Alright, so now I'm just going to take this shape and trace it onto my pegboard, and I'm going to use a hole saw to cut the shape out, just because it's what I have and it was quicker and easier. Now using sheet metal screws, I'm just attaching the pegboard to the door.
Alright guys, so check this out. I got one door finished. I did have to notch this area out on the top and bottom so this button can slide a little bit better. So I gotta do the same on that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this door, and hopefully it comes out as clean as this door did, and then we can start hanging tools up.
Okay, so let's get down to how much these materials cost me. So I have two 3x16 2x4 white pegboards that I got for $24.48. Then I purchased the pegboard system mesh basket kit and the pegboard system organizer 48-piece kit from Home Depot, which came to be a grand total of $55.44. So not bad considering what I was able to accomplish.
I'm just gonna open these up and get these installed on the doors and see what we can do with it.
So this took roughly 3, maybe 4 hours max. It did go into the next day for me just because it got late and the mosquitoes were killing me. But this is the finished product and I'm pretty happy with it. So let me know in comments what you think.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. I really hope this video helped you to build your own pegboard system. I think I'm gonna enjoy it. But anyways guys, thanks for all the support. Hit that like and subscribe button for me, and I will see you in the next one.